It's so easy to block a wool felt flapper cloche. You just need a wool felt that you soak in water, some glass head pins, and you also need some good scissors and a balsa block. Now you can find that on eBay or Etsy, but make sure you cover it with plastic or foil. I prefer foil. And my little dog wants to say hi. I'm using a teapot to steam the wool felt to get it malleable, but it's better to use a steamer. And you pull it over the hat block and smooth it with your hands and smooth and pull and pull. And look, it takes on the shape of the hat block. Isn't that incredible? And then I have center front and center back, and I fold it in half so that I can find the sides, which are becoming the brim, like the pointed parts. There you go. It looks kind of like a purse, doesn't it? And then you try it on and you act like a flapper girl. No, you don't have to act like one. Make sure that you make long smoothing strokes with your fingers. Don't just do pinch, pinch, pinch. Do pinch, smooth, 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 smooth. Oh, look, here's a measuring tape. It's 4.5 inches to the fold. And then I put the pins back in. Don't get too attached to putting the pins in because you're going to take them out. Try the hat on while it's wet. Put it back on the hat block. Put the pins in. Then take the pins out and then put it back on your head, blah, 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 over and over. Because you want to get the hat perfect, right? This is all about perfection. No, not really. But now I'm putting the pins in and I'm going to be pulling out the wings to make them more dramatic because right now they're pretty stubby and I want the hat to be dramatic. It is in red after all. This is going to be really great to wear with some red lipstick. You see how I pull, pull, pull? Yeah, it takes some strength. Pull, 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 pull. Yeah, there you go. Both sides. Do them equally and put the pins in. Try it on. You see how more dramatic it got? And then I trim out the inside so that it doesn't show from the outside. Better to trim a tiny bit at a time because you can't really put it back. You can always go back and trim more. And then I'm going to show you close up how I put the pins in. I put them at 45-degree angles essentially to the folds. I don't put the, oh look, here's my dog again. He needs some more attention. Okay, that just made me realize I need a mask because all the fibers are flying into my nose. And it's very important to wear a mask while you're blocking because you don't want those fibers to get stuck in your lungs, do you? That's really bad for you, really, really bad. Yeah, and pin, pin, pin. And I'm going to take the hat outside and put it in the sun. Today in San Francisco, it's at the end of February and it's going to be 71 degrees Fahrenheit. I can't believe how warm it's going to be. Oh, this iron sucks actually. It was spurting out sediment. So I actually went and bought a steamer at the drugstore, which I'll be showing you towards the end of this video, my steamer. It was pretty cheap. It was only 20 bucks. Hi, Mocha. Look at everything's locked up because we're in America and there's so much crime here. Everything's locked up. Look, but I found a steamer and a brush for the felt and a spray bottle, so we're set. Let's go home and finish that hat, okay? Look, the steamer. Oh my goodness, it works so much better than the teapot or the iron. I am going to brush it with this nail brush that I found at the drugstore, but look, you can still see the inside coming out to the outside, which isn't good, but I'm just gonna leave it for now, let it dry, then go back and trim it more and then block it again.